Mysterious things that happened in 2020. As the world continues to deal with the crazy year that is 2020, here are some crucial stories that may have slipped under your radar. Take a look at some of the strangest things that have happened this year. A star went missing. Have you ever heard of a massive star just disappearing? For nearly 2 decades, astronomers studied a star in a galaxy 75 million light-years away, reports The Atlantic. Recently, they looked at latest observations and realized they could not find it anymore. The discovery was announced last month, and it could be the first instance of a star collapsing into a black hole without first exploding into a supernova. Mystery drones over Colorado and Nebraska. In January, people in the U.S. states of Colorado and Nebraska began to report mysterious drones in the sky. According to the New York Post, rumors flew thick and fast about drones as big as cars flying in grid patterns in the night sky. A monkey stole COVID samples. In a weird incident in one of Uttar Pradesh's largest government hospitals, a monkey attacked a lab technician, snatched vials containing blood samples from 3 coronavirus patients and escaped. A video of the incident, which occurred in May, shows the monkey sitting atop a tree with the samples it stole. Poland accidentally invaded Czech Republic. Accidental invasions are not unheard of, but they remain uncommon. In a minor misunderstanding, the Polish military recently invaded and briefly occupied territory in the Czech Republic, and stopped locals from entering a church in their own country, reports NPR. The misunderstanding was quickly cleared up and the Polish army retreated. Pentagon released 3 UFO videos. The United States Department of Defense officially released 3 short videos showing unidentified aerial phenomena. In a statement dated April 27, the Department of Defense said that the videos were taken by Navy pilots in 2004 and 2005, and had been circulating on the internet since they were leaked in 2007 and 2017. NASA warned of asteroids headed to Earth. NASA turned heads in August after warning of an asteroid that was supposedly heading directly for Earth, and many were concerned that it could lead to our impending doom. Although the asteroid, also known as 2018 VP1, was technically heading in the Earth's direction and was hurling in our solar system, it wasn't headed right for us, as some scientists first projected in November. Most venomous caterpillars in US found in Virginia, Texas. They're hairy and they may be cute, but trust us when we say you don't want to go anywhere near them. One of the most venomous caterpillars in the nation was found in Virginia in October, and as it turns out, they're already native to the state of Texas. Puss caterpillars, or flannel moths, won't jump out and bite you, but it's their furry coat you'll need to worry about. Their venomous hairs can cause painful burning, a rash, and intense throbbing pain that develops immediately or within the first 5 minutes of touching them, among other symptoms. Some even compare the pain to a scorching hot knife. The best advice? If you see one, steer clear.